Yeah.
Okay, now, next step, unscrew your new water bottle cage off of the packet. As you can see, I got the first bit of the water bottle cage in. Now, I just gotta put the Allen keys in, these two nuts, and then the cage. Okay, alright. These little nuts slide into there, and then you grab your Allen key, push it through, it should drop in, and that's how you know you got it. Okay, so the water bottle cage is in, now you just gotta tighten these Allen key bolts. Now it's ready to go. Now you have a brand new bottle holder, fit it on.